Hi, Isaac. I just want you to first see what I'm seeing, and then I'll show you how to go in and check your own report. This is how my grade center looks. I click on the little rectangle with a percentage, and if I see anything above, like, I don't know, it depends, but definitely above 10%, then I will check. And then this is the originality report. And to see the details, I click here, similarity tools, and I click the number again. By the way, that percentage is what percentage of what you turned in has been matched to something that's been previously published, either online or in another student work. And then I see, I can match, like, so this number two, these lines have been matched to this source, and these lines have been matched to this source, and etc. And you might ask, like, well, I have no idea whose student paper that is. But what happens is that, like, for instance, if you're just not putting direct quotations from overview happiness in direct quotation marks, which they need to be, you can't just use her words as your own words. So if you're not using the direct quotation marks, Turnitin might match you to another student paper who has those same lines from Spielman's article as a direct quote, if you see what I mean. So let me go over here now and show you in student view how you check. You go to grades, and anytime you see a flag like this, you know that there's an originality report attached. Because I don't do them for every assignment, but if you see a little flag, you know that there's one there. You can't click on the flag, but you can click on the title, and then you can click on the flag here, and then you get the report. This one doesn't have any plagiarism, but you can go to the similarity or well, this one doesn't have the same set of tools because there's no plagiarism in this one, but you get the idea, right? And so I recommend that you turn your assignments in before the deadline, check your originality report, especially if you have any concerns, like you think you're wondering if you did all your paraphrasing correctly, for instance. And then that gives you a little bit of time to correct course if you need to and resubmit.